Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do line spacing in WordPress. So if you look at this page right here, I just have sample text, and I'm going ahead and click Update here, and then we'll come over here and click View Page, and you'll see it has two paragraphs. Now, with WordPress by default, this normally works just great. Okay, let me say, here's some more content. And we can see because we hit enter, it shows up like that and it's got that space, right? Alright, well, what happens sometimes is when you add an image or you add a button or you add other different kinds of code, is WordPress will not react the way that it's supposed to like this, and it'll give you too much space or too little space. So what we can do is we can go over here to plugins, click on add new, and we can add a great free plugin called Simple Breaks. And what this simple little plugin will do is it'll let us customize the size of our actual space or breaks. So let's go ahead and go back over here, and we're going to click on visual. Okay, now let's say we wanted this to be a bigger space. What we can do, first of all, I got to update this because it doesn't show the new install yet. Okay, so there it is. This is it right here. So let's say I wanted to do a bigger space right here. A good example of this is sometimes if you put a YouTube video right in here or a Vimeo video into your page, is sometimes the text will be crammed right next to it. So what you can do is you can come over here and you can click on blank space, and then you can pick the size. So we'll do 30, which is a large space, and click OK, and then update, and then we'll see we'll have a bunch of space here, okay, which we weren't able to do before. In other words, if you just hit enter a few times with WordPress, enter, and go from visual to text to visual, WordPress will get rid of it because it thinks you made a mistake, because it thinks more than one line break is a mistake. So that's one way to do it. Another way to do it with this particular plugin is, let's say we wanted a line break right here, is we could come over here and we could click line break, and that little open bracket, BR, end bracket will put a break there. So now if we hit update, we'll see about halfway through here, it'll give it a single break. Okay. Now if we wanted this to be, instead of a single break, have it be a bigger one, we could say I want it to be 10 and hit update, and then come over here and refresh. Now we'll see it's a bigger break. Okay, so really simple software, real simple plugin, but it's very, very helpful if you do a lot of WordPress and you want to tweak how much space is in between the different paragraphs.